In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit an Office 365 document in Canvas. The first thing you want to make sure that you have done is that you want to make sure that you have shared that document with your teacher. In a previous video, I've showed you how to share in Office 365 and in Google Drive. You want to make sure that you have done that for this document. The second thing that you want to make sure that you've done is that you know exactly which file it is that you want to share and that you've named it properly. Oftentimes you might have more than one file of the same name, so you want to make sure that you have the correct file named properly before you begin to submit. So to begin, you want to click on that Submit button. Yours will be green. The next thing you want to do is come down to More. Click on More. Then you will click on Office 365. Once you click on Office 365, you find the document that you want to submit. Check the box next to it, click Attach File. You will notice that it has that file name attached right here, and then click Submit Assignment. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see this is where it says what you submitted, what time. You can download it again, which you don't really need to do, but you can see the submission details. If at any point you're wondering about your grade, this is where you would come back to see your grade. You can click here for submission details to see the rubric or comments from your teacher.